In this video, I'll guide you through how to create transcripts for videos in Google Drive. We'll walk through a simple method that uses only Google Drive and Google Docs, so you don't need any extra software or paid tools. By the end, you'll know how to turn the audio from any video into an editable text document you can use for captions, notes, or written content. First, you'll want to upload your video to Google Drive. Open your browser, go to your Drive and sign in if you're not already. Then either click the New button and choose File Upload, or just drag your video file straight into your Drive window. Depending on the size of the video and your internet connection, this might take a little time, so it's worth waiting until it fully finishes uploading before moving on. Once your video is in Google Drive, locate the file and open it in the Drive preview. You can do this by double-clicking the video. You should now see the standard Google Drive video player with a play button in the middle and some controls along the bottom. Next, look at the top of the preview window for the Open With menu. Click that, and if you see an option for Google Docs, go ahead and select it. Sometimes Drive will let you open media files directly with Docs, which can be handy if it automatically extracts any information. If you don't see Google Docs listed there, don't worry, that just means we'll rely fully on voice typing instead. In that case, you can download the video to your computer if you prefer to play it locally, but you can also leave it in Drive and play it right from the preview window. Either way will work. Now, open Google Docs in a new tab or window. You can do this from the Google Apps menu or by going directly to Docs and creating a new blank document. This is where your transcript will be generated and stored. With your blank document open, go to the top menu and click on Tools, then select Voice Typing. You'll see a microphone icon appear, usually on the left side of your document. Click the microphone once to enable it. The first time you do this, your browser might ask for permission to use your microphone. Make sure you allow it, otherwise Docs won't be able to hear the audio. With voice typing active, switch back to your video and press play. Let the video play at normal speed and make sure the audio is clear and loud enough for your microphone to pick up. Try to minimize background noise and avoid talking while the video is playing, because Google Docs will try to capture any sound it hears, not just the video audio. As the video plays, Google Docs will generate a transcript in real time, typing out what it hears into your document. It won't be perfect, especially with complex terms or accents, but it will capture most of the spoken words and give you a solid starting point. When the video finishes, click the microphone again to stop voice typing. Now, read through the generated transcript carefully, edit the text for accuracy, fix punctuation, correct any misheard words, and add speaker labels or timestamps if you need them. This cleanup step is important because it turns a rough automatic capture into a polished, usable transcript. And that's the full process for creating transcripts for videos in Google Drive using Google Docs and voice typing.